Hello everyone, good morning students. Dear students, in previous class we take and discuss a very important chapter of your syllabus which is quadratic equation, and in previous class we take and discuss some important questions based on the identity a plus b plus c whole square. Now in today's class we take and solve some other important questions based on the identity and simplify them. Let's see. We take a very important question of yourself. Factorize 2 under root 2 a cube 2 and then under root 2 a cube plus 8b cube plus 8b cube minus 27c cube minus 27c cube plus 18 under root 2 ABC plus 18 under root 2 ABC. Now let's see its solution. This is the question here. Okay, now look. So first of all we know that the identity a cube plus b cube. Look, since we know that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c in one bracket, and in another bracket a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is the identity. Now we expanded it based on the same identity. Okay, so now first of all we can write as under root 2 a cube 8 to 2b cube plus minus 3c cube minus 3abc. 3a we can write under root 2a, b is we can write as 2b, c can write minus 3c. So now if we multiply them these terms, so we get 3 3 is a 9, 2 is a 18 under root 2 abc and minus that is plus. So first of all, dear student, what I do for that question? So first of all we just arrange we just arrange the given questions based on these identities, like that a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc is equal to a plus b plus c in first bracket, in the second bracket this is a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus ca. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. Now what I do? Now we just expanded that expressions based on this identity. Okay, now look, a plus b plus c in first bracket, so means first bracket in first bracket a plus b plus c plus c means what? C is what? Minus to minus plus minus 3c in this way. Okay, now in next bracket a square, this is a square plus b square means plus c square means a square plus b square plus c square. Now minus ab a into means this into this, a b means 2b minus ab minus bc this into this minus b into c and minus CA minus CA. C means what? Minus 3C into A means what? Under root 2A. Under root 2A. Okay. So this is a very important identity, and we just express the given expression based on these identities. Okay, now look, we can write this one. Now this root 2A square means what? This is 2A square. Okay, this is plus 2 to the, that is 4B square. Now minus 3C square, so minus square, that is converted into the plus, so 3 is a plus 9, it's plus right as it is, so 3 is a 9 C square. Okay, now so first of all, the B square root 2A, root 2 square is converted into the 2 A, that is A square now. Now here this is 2B, the 2 square, the square of 2, that is 4, B 2, that is B square. Now here this is minus square converted into the plus, 3 is a 9 C square. Now minus 2 under root 2 AB, 2 under root 2 AB. Okay, minus minus plus 3 to the 6 BC, 3 to the 6 BC, and that is minus minus, that is plus 3 under root 2 CA, 3 under root 2 CA, 3 under root 2 CA, or we can write in way root 2A plus 2B minus 3C. Now in next bracket 2A square plus 4B square plus 9C square minus 2 under root 2 AB plus 6BC plus 3 under root 2 CA. Okay, so this is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, dear friend, you can solve all the questions of your syllabus exercise based on these identities. Let's see once more time. So first of all, this is the given questions, and now what I do for, first of all, we arrange the given question based on the identity A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. So for that, we can write 2 under root 2 as under root 2A, because of under root 2 cube, that is root 2 into root 2 into root 2, that is 2 under root 2, and now that is 8B cube, so we can write 2B whole cube, because of the cube of 2 is what, 8. Now similarly, this is 27 the cube of 3, so we can write minus 3C whole cube. Okay, now minus 3ABC, A into B into C. A means what? Root 2A, B means what? 2B, and C means what? Minus 3C. Okay, now we expanded the given expression, we expand the given expressions based on the identity A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC. So now that is A plus B plus C in one bracket, okay, and in another bracket this is A square plus B square plus C square minus AB minus BC minus CA respectively, minus CA respectively. So that is root 2A plus 2B minus 3C, and this is root 2A square, that is 2A square plus 4B square, means now simplify them, we get our result. Now we take and solve some other important questions. based on the identity. We take a very important question, and the question is, if a square plus b square plus c square, if a square plus b square plus c square is equal to 20 and a plus b plus c is equal to 0 and a plus b plus c is equal to 0, find AB plus BC plus CA. Now let's see solution. Okay, this is the very important questions of your syllabus based on the identity A plus B plus C whole square. Okay, now look. Since first of all we know that the identity A plus B plus C whole square is equal to A square plus B square plus C square plus 2 times AB plus BC plus CA respectively. Okay, two times AB plus BC plus CA respectively. Okay, now look here, we find the value of AB plus BC plus CA, and it is given that the value of A square plus B square plus C square is what? 20, and the value of A plus B plus C is equal to 0. Now we putting all these value in the given identity and we find the value of AB plus BC plus CA. Okay, now we put the given values, in the above identity, that is the value of A plus B plus C is equal to 1, 0, that is 0 square is equal to the value of A square plus B square plus C square, that is 20. Okay, plus 2 times we find the value of AB plus BC plus CA, so that is right as it is, AB plus BC plus CA. Now look, 0 square, that is 0 right as it is. Okay, and plus 20 transfer that side, that is 2 times AB plus BC plus CA is equal to minus 20. Now that is the value of AB plus BC plus CA is equal to minus 20 upon 2, 2 times are 20, that is minus 10. So minus 10, dear student, is the required solution of the given question. Okay, minus 10 is the required solution of the given question. So dear student, in this way you can solve that type of questions. Now we take and solve some other important questions based on the identity. Look, now look, if x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4 is equal to 47. 47. Okay. Find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. Now let's see its solution. Okay. Now what I do? Now we just apply the for loop. So first of all, dear student, we have the value of x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4. So that comes out in the identity x square plus 1 upon x whole square. So since we can write x square plus 1 upon x square whole square is equal to what? A square plus b square plus 2ab means that comes cancelled to each other. So now we put the value of x square x to the power 4 plus 1 upon x to the power 4, that is 47. Now this is x square plus 1 upon x square whole square is equal to, that is 47 plus 2, that is 49. Thus 49 is the square of 7. So that comes cancelled, square cancel to each other. So we have the value of x square plus 1 upon x square, that is 7. Okay, that is 7. Now we again apply the identity, because of we just find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube. So before that we find the value of x plus 1 upon x, after that we find that value. Now so now again we apply the identity x plus 1 upon x whole square, that is a square plus b square plus 2a means that is 2, that is 2. Okay. Now the value of this is what? 7. So that is 7 plus 2, that is 9. This is the square of 3. That is the square of 3. So dear student, that comes cancelled to each other. So the value of x plus 1 upon x is equal to what? 3. The value of x plus 1 upon x is equal to 3. We take equation number first. Okay. Now what I do? Now look, we just find the value of x cube plus 1 upon x cube, right? Now for that we taking cube both side of equation 1. Now look, now taking cube both sides, we get, now taking cube both side of equation 1, we get, look, whole cube. Okay. So a plus b whole cube means what? A cube plus b cube. Now we apply the identity. Look, a cube plus b cube, okay, plus 3ab in bracket a plus b. Okay. Now look here, x what cancel to each other. Now using equation 1. Now using equation 1 we get, look, the value of x plus 1 upon x is what, 3. So that is 3 cube is equal to 3 cube is equal to x cube plus 1 upon x cube. We find that value and plus 3 into x plus 1 upon x. The value of x plus 1 upon x is what, 3. We just put 3 here. Now we simplify them. This is 27 is equal to 3 3 is 9. 3 3 is 9. Now we can write x cube plus 1 upon x cube is equal to 27 minus 9, and 27 minus 9, that is 18. That is what? This is the required solution of the given questions. So in this way you apply the algebraic identities. This is one of the most important questions of your syllabus. Okay, so please dear students, do more and more practices of that type of questions. After that you can solve each and every questions of your NCERT exercise based on these topics. Okay dear students, this is the very important question. Now look, now factorize dear students x plus 1 whole cube plus x minus 1 whole cube. Now look, this is also a very important questions. Okay, now let's see the solution. We know that the identity a cube plus b cube, we just apply them. Okay, a cube plus, this is a, this is b, so a cube plus b cube, a plus b in one bracket, a plus b in one bracket into, in another bracket, this is a square plus b square, a square plus b square minus ab, minus a into b. Okay, a square plus b square minus ab. This is the identity. Here we apply the identity a cube plus b cube. Now look, we break the brackets, x plus 1 plus x minus 1 into, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab plus a square plus b square minus 2ab minus, this is a plus b into a minus, this is form of x square minus 1. So if we break the brackets, then we get minus x square and plus 1. Now we simplify them. 1 cancel to each other. So that is 2x into, here 2x cancel to each other. 1x square is also cancelled to each other. And that is 1, 1, 1. That is 3. That is 3. And x square is left. So this is x square plus 3 is left. Okay, now we get final 2x in bracket x square plus 3. This is the required solution of the given question. So in this way, you can solve that type of questions. This is the very important question of your syllabus.
Now in next class we take and solve the same chapter of your syllabus. Okay, now thanks to all.